Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Codex in JetBrains Rider. So let's open the JetBrains Rider. I'm going to use their ChatGPT Codex. So this is the latest version is there, Rider 2025.3. Now I already have the project, so not going to create a new. So this is now currently opening. So here you can see JetBrains AI. You can get here. So by clicking this, you can do the installation or download. Or the second option is, or you need to click there or this main menu. Then go on this setting. There, you need to select this plugins. Search there AI. So JetBrains AI Assistant, you need to click on this install. So this is now installing. So this plugins that's required. Come there, let's click on this save and this here. Thereafter here you need to click on this. Thereafter click on this let's go. This plugin that here installed successfully. After that simply you need to restart. Click on this restart button. So this turn. You need to click on this JetBrains. Let's go and here you can get this. So start with JetBrains ID. You have this option sign in Codex with ChatGPT. So clicking this and now click on this install Codex. So installing the Codex inside the JetBrains Rider. Here this successfully installed. Click on this login. So this is now currently authenticating. So using their Microsoft is just once. Now you have this option. You can do their ChatGPT account. You can do with Google, Apple, Microsoft. So they are going to do with Google. It's the sign in to Codex that's done. And here this is now Codex is ready. So let's here. So let's give how to add three numbers in C sharp. So how to add three numbers in C sharp. So this is now currently thinking. So this is not supported. Let's change this 5.2 and now this is the same question again using with the 5.2. So this is returning this output and let's do something how to add three numbers in C sharp without using plus. Without using plus. So this is now currently thinking. This is the output that's getting there.